This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. So Nifty is up by 11 points, very flat start. Metals and pharma are in red. Otherwise, rest of the sectors are in green. And PSU Bank seems to be again the next mover today. It's up by 1%. So we have the entry prices, the tentative prices here. The sell and buy on all the scripts. And let's see. I think PSU banks, his SBI is one thing what we should be watching. So their Coal India is a sell, Power Grid is a sell. You can short it. Infi is a buy. So this seems to be a good start. Uh, 661.10. Coal India is a gap down open. It's really a gap down open. So you can change the price. Can short Coal India at 264. Or we'll wait for some time, and then we'll take a decision. Grasum, we have a buy. Let's wait to get the prices to get stabilized. Once that is done, then we can enter into the trades. Grasum 814. I'll change it to 814. The buy call. HCL Tech. The IT index is up by 0.5%. The HCL Tech seems to be a buy. It will move upwards. So Infi is a buy. So that's a slight gap up. But anyway, the 6661 was our entry. So the target is 678 for Infi. The targets will change again. Intraday and Power Grid we can just ignore. I mean, this particular column what we have, let's just ignore. Or else you want to enter into Power Grid, I'll give you the right price now. You can enter into Power Grid. That's in sell call for a target of 183.50. Coal India will just wait because it's a huge gap down. Asian Paint seeing a very strong reaction. So we will not do anything on Asian Paint as of now. Axis, I think we'll get an entry for Axis again. Charge Auto. Pharma and metal is down. Pharma is nearly 1% down, and metal index is 1% down, and pharma is 0.3% down. We'll wait for a few minutes. Let's prices get stabilized, then we can enter into the trades. Fee 678 is a possibility. So Tata Motors is a sell, 176. So Wipro, we have a buy. Wipro, you can buy above 333. I'll change the figures. And Gale is a buy again. It is doing extremely good from past 2 days. 365.70. Or let's say 366. Dr. Reddy is a sell. Oh, that's a huge gap down. 2419 is my sell. And we have Tata Steel, which is a sell. So we can short Tata Steel at 55490. And we have an HDFC buy. It was a sell call yesterday. Oh, that's risen hugely. One seven one seven. We'll take a chance there. And we have TCS call. TCS is again a buy. We'll buy above 1923. Asha Motors and Infratel we can enter. It has because Asha Motors is a sell from quite some time, quite some days. TCS Vedanta, we have a call. So Vedanta, we have a sell. The metal index is down, and we can short it below 209. We have Hero Moto. It's a buy. 796. 9,800 I would like to buy, sorry, 2,800 I would like to buy it. And we have Bajaj Finserv. That's on sell call. This has been very flat from past 2 days. The trades are going nowhere. If you want to take a chance, you can take a chance at 5347 sell. So these are some of the calls that we have. Tata Steel is so we have huge gap downs in Dr. Reddy, Coal India, and Tata Steel. Z also. Let's check what's happening in Z. Z, I think we should be getting a sell call in Z. And Infratel Hindalco is also a sell. Hindalco, I'll tell you the price. Hindalco, you can short it below 220.70. No, it's 222. It should have triggered. I mean, I don't know why it's not triggered. It's okay. It has triggered. Triple two. The target is 221 for Hindalco. In a few minutes, we'll be getting the targets and stop losses. So we'll just wait till that time. It's 9:25 now. ICICI, we had a sell. Seems like it's going to go down. Private banks are in red. Metals, media is in red. FMCG is in red. Auto is in red. So overall, we are seeing that Nifty is going to get into a red zone. So UPL, we have a buy. One second, let me just confirm this. Adani Ports sell has triggered. This is interesting. It is testing its support level at 318.20. So if it breaks that, your next target will be 314. Yeah. So it has to break that. Once it breaks that, it will be 314. It seems like a possibility because the candle might close below its support line. That's going to be a good trade. Coal India, you can short it below 263. So if you have any doubts, you please type in the chat box. There goes M&M is a buy. We can look for a target of 360. So Bajaj Finance, we have a call. It's a buy call. 2401, I would like to buy Bajaj Finance. I have a buy in Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, we have very strong resistances. 573, I will buy Sun Pharma. We have Dr. Reddy Cell. We have already entered that. We have Axis Bank buy. Axis Bank 570 we can buy. And we have Tata Steel. Tata Steel anyway we have a sell call. We have 557. 557, that will be our entry. And we have Z, which is a sell. So we are expecting this. So 434, we can short it. It gave us good profits yesterday. PL. UPL, you can go ahead and buy, I mean, you can continue with the trade. And we have NTPC. NTPC, you can short it below 158. So these are the trades that we have. So ADANIPORTS is roughly around 2,500 rupees in profit. So I'll give you the target for ADANIPORTS. It will be 318, 318.50. That will be your first target. Let's see where HCL Tech is up to. When you can still hold on to HCL Tech, just half a paise, I mean 50 paise difference. Hindalco is one thing which has been troubling from past 3 days. The metal index is down by 0.8%. We can still hold on to that. Infi is good, 10 rupees up. ITC, we have this call, sell call. Let me just confirm it for you. Yes, ITC, you can short it for a target of 277. M&M is a buy. You can hold on to that. Hero Motoko, that's a buy call. So you can wait on that. 2824 is the target for that. India Bulls Housing, yesterday it gave good profit, and now again it's on the call has triggered. That next target is 835. for India Bulls Housing Finance. Tata Motors, so it's testing its support levels. Once it breaks that, then we'll have a clear picture. Tech Mahindra is a buy. So the target here is 720 for Tech Mahindra. So these are some of the trades that's currently running. UPL, you can wait. You can wait on UPL. I mean, it should do 650. 650, and then there is a possibility of 656 or 655. Please keep trailing the stop loss for UPL. This is really an highly volatile script. So I was telling you about the target. 655 is a possibility. Now it is roughly around 2.5 2 rupees in profit. So you can keep trailing it, trailing the stop loss for UPL. If it breaks 655, then its next level is 670. So Hero Motoko now is in buy, NTPC is in buy, Power Grid is buy, Infratel is sell, buy, and sell. I mean, all these are in profits. HDFC Bank, we have a call. It's a sell call which is running, and in the long term trend also it's a sell. So it has to break 1905. If it breaks 1905, then its next level is 1885. So we should be getting some calls now. So Adani Ports is 3 rupees down. It's roughly around 7,500. So we have Tech Mahindra buy call. That's currently in progress, and we have Maruti sell, which has triggered. So I put it on both the sides. L&T we have a sell. So L&T you can short it at 1258. Maruti, the target is 6640, the first target. Tata Steel has triggered. So Tata Steel, the target will be 551.50, 551.70. Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty has also triggered its sell call. We don't trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So Adani Ports is doing good. Let's get into that. So 318 was its first target. So it has to break that support. So once it breaks that support, then no, there's definitely a very good trade in Adani Ports. Please keep trailing your stop losses. It can go up to 314. So Reliance is a sell.